Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the core pages: index, future log, and a monthly log. Do this now so everything you add maps back to a master. Once done, open the first week and add daily rapid logs with time blocks. This gives immediate structure for tasks and events. Make sure to enable Cloud Sync, automatic backups, and optional encryption. This protects your entries and lets you recover if the app or device fails. Next, focus on structure and rapid capture. You tag and color code items for status and context so you can scan quickly. Tags serve as dynamic filters across pages. Then build templates for meetings, habits, and projects, enabling one-tap insertion to save time during busy days. Once those are in place, set up recurring entries and connect calendar feeds. This reduces duplicate typing and keeps tasks aligned with scheduled events, making review and migration far simpler. Finish by establishing a weekly review routine. Migrate unfinished items forward, prioritize the top 3 tasks, and archive completed entries so your journal stays lean. Also export backups periodically and test a restore on a secondary device to ensure your data is recoverable. If you run into sync failures, check the network, clear the app cache, and reauthorize the account. That sequence solves most issues. If problems
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.